Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share my August Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box. They send you makeup, tools, skincare, all kinds of fun things. What I like best is that it is all full-size products. You get to choose 3 of the 5 full-sized items from choices that they give you, and the other 2 are chosen for you based on a profile that you fill out with your skin type, your likes, your dislikes. I have been a member for a long time. This is not a sponsored video. I just like to share. I believe the cost is somewhere between $30 and $35 a month. I pay for the year, so they give you a discount if you pay for an entire year. I will have everything about Boxycharm listed and linked in the description box below if you are interested. I will also have all the items that I receive, plus items that were already on my face or additional items that I put on to complete my face. Some of the links are affiliate links, so if you do shop using those links, I make a small commission, and I want to thank you so much because it does support me and my channel. So inside the box, you always get this flyer. There is a theme. It says Get Golden. It has a QR code to scan about the products in your box, upcoming sales. The first product that I have is this one right here. This is the Luminizing Bronzing Powder from YC Collection. It retails for $22. Achieve a flawless, sun-kissed glow with this luxurious bronzing powder that delivers an effortlessly radiant finish. They sent me the shade Enough. You have a protector, you have a mirror. Here is the bronzing powder. I will go ahead and swatch it. Really pretty embossing. Looks pretty sheer. I'm going to use my JennDBeauty angled brush. And let's just put it on. My face is powdered. And I'm just tapping it in. It's pretty. I was a little bit concerned. I am not typically a glowy bronzer kind of gal, but this is pretty. I would call this a natural glow. It's on the warm side, but I don't think it's too warm. It's got a little bit of a scent. Pretty. I'm going to put a little bit on my eyes because I do not have any eye products to play with today. And bronzer is always a nice option if you're trying to keep it quick and simple. This is my Rephr 15. It's just a nice fluffy brush. I love my Rephr brushes. It's also nice that there's no kick up in the pan. It is not a powdery bronzer. It is firmly packed, nicely buildable. I'm liking. The next item in my box is this one from Danessa Myrix. I was happy to see this. This is the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Lowlighter Soft Glow Highlighter. That's a mouthful. Retails for $26. They sent me the shade Unbothered, which is a mauve pink gold. This is a new generation of tinted light reflecting balm to powder skin transforming illuminators that blur and add a soft lit from within glow all over the face. I love that this product contains Upsolate, which is a product that seems to be exclusive to Danessa Myrix. Very good if you have oily skin. Use fingers or a brush, swirl, swipe, and tap. You can put this on the cheekbones, the brow bone, across the bridge of the nose, onto the lips. You can use it under or over foundation. It seems like you can really do a lot with this product. Typical Danessa Myrix packaging. Here is what it looks like. Nice balmy texture. We'll put it right underneath. Ooh, and let's see, can we blend it out? I'm going to try taking this Morphe A11 and I'm going to just tap it on there and just go on the cheekbones, the top of the cheekbones. And I'm sure you could use this as a blush topper. I'm just building it up a little bit. That's pretty. I hope you can see that. I'm not a huge highlight girl because I feel like, especially on mature skin, highlight can accentuate lines, texture. That is pretty. I'm wiping it off and just sort of buffing around the edges. Maybe I'll even try a little bit on the lids. I do have a little bit of the Morphe eyeshadow primer on. Oh, that's pretty. I can see it. Fun. The next product I have is this Pinch My Cheeks Soft Blur Cream Blush from the brand Lawless. This retails for $29. They sent me the shade Duchess, which is a soft blushing rose. It says online, this weightless velvety soft texture delivers a long-wear buildable color that you'll love, infused with green tea extract to help re-energize the skin and protect from free radicals. This clean, non-toxic formula can be used on your cheeks or your lips for a monochromatic look. I've heard good things about the brand Lawless. I have tried very few. Here's what it looks like. It reminds me very much of the Sigma packaging. Speaking of Sigma, I'll grab my F47 trusty brush that I like to use for cream blushes. And maybe I should swatch it first. Let's do that. Beautiful packaging. Mirror, nice big pan. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. I like it. It feels very thin. Looks like it's going to blur. Looks like my kind of blush. I'll just sort of go a little bit under where I have that low lighter and a little bit above where I have that bronzer, but we're looking for a seamless blend. Go across, take some product off of my brush and just blend underneath. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and complete my eyes off camera. I'll add some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. I've got 3 more products. I'm back, and the next product I'll pull out of the box is this one from First Aid Beauty. This is the HelloFab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, retails for $32. Online it says, makeup meets skincare in this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer that helps hydrate and prep your skin for makeup. It's packed with light reflecting micro pearls for a luminous dewy glow, coconut water to help hydrate and replenish skin, and quinoa protein to help prepare and strengthen the skin barrier. I have had this before. I believe Boxycharm has sent this to me, and it is okay. It is not a favorite of mine, but I believe that the last bottle that I had gotten, I gave to my mother and she enjoyed it. So this has a home. It'll go to her. Next, we have this Plump and Pout Plumping Lip Liner. This is from Beauty Creations. Retails for $6. It says online, our plumping game just got better with the Plump and Pout Lip Liner, the ultimate lip liner to define, plump, and enhance your pout, specially formulated to give a natural plumping effect. This lip liner creates a fuller, more defined look that lasts all day, whether you're lining your lips or using it to fill them in. The creamy texture glides on smoothly, providing the perfect base for your lip color. I'm looking at the ingredients and I'm not seeing what the actual plumping aspect is. Does say tingling sensation. There's something in there. It's smudge proof, long lasting. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Beauty Creations. I feel like they've been getting a lot of buzz online. Tell me what you have from them and if you like it. They sent me the shade Attracted to You, which looks like a brownie mauve. Let's go ahead and swatch it. It is a twist up design. Oh, that's not true. You click it. So you have to be careful with those because once you click it, you can't get it back down. Ooh, that is very dark. It's very creamy, and I was able to blend it out. Almost too creamy. It was a little bit difficult for me to control. I do like a good brown, but this one's a little bit deep. The last product in my box, which I was very happy to see, is this Lassie Lips Staining Long-Lasting Moisturizing Lip Oil from the brand Kofi. This is the shade Guava, and this is a smooth staining lip oil that goes on glossy, leaving a perfectly pigmented stain that lasts with one swipe and won't feather, flake, or transfer. I was excited because I already have another shade of this, and that is this one here. It is Tamarind, and it is a favorite of my lip oils. I didn't mention these retail for $24. Let's go ahead and swatch Guava, which I have a strong suspicion will not match this lip liner. Here is Guava. I'm not going to put that on my lips. Not with this Beauty Creations lip liner. So I brought in Tamarind just in case, and I think that this one is going to look much better with this lip liner. Let me go ahead and swatch Tamarind for you. I have featured this in videos. It is a nice brown. So much better. I think that looks very nice. I went ahead and added everything up. The retail value is $139. Did I get my money's worth? I really think I did. For, I believe, around $32 is what I spent. The First Aid Beauty Priming Moisturizer, not my favorite. I think it was the scent. Something about it I did not enjoy, but I know that First Aid Beauty is a really good brand. I know that a lot of people enjoy this, and I know that my mother will. So this, not a loss. The lip liner, a little dark for my taste. I still feel like I would wear a slightly lighter shade of lip liner with this lip color, but I will try to make it work. I could line my lips and then put a shade of lipstick that I feel is a little too light on top of it, or I have milky glosses that I could throw on top. I think there is a use for this, and as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and test. Yeah, look at that. That's not moving. So let me know, have you tried Beauty Creations? I feel like I need to test out some more products from this brand because this is $6 and there are other shades. So this definitely has potential. The bronzer from YC Collection, I believe this is the brand that I tried the liquid eyeshadow, the single eyeshadow from, that comes in the squeezy tube, and really liked it. I will have Editing Jen confirm, but I'm 99% sure. I like this bronzer. I was expecting not to. I was expecting it to be a little too warm. I didn't like the description saying that it was glowy, but I am really enjoying the way that my complexion looks right now, and having it frame my eyes and as the bronzer, I'm enjoying this. I like the way it looks. The Lawless blush, beautiful. It's a very nice neutral pink. It is not too pinky like another one of the products that I got. Love the sturdy packaging. Lawless is another brand that I would like to dip my toes a little more into. Pretty, pretty blush. I like that it has a glow, but it still has a bit of a blur to it. The Kofi lip stain in Guava is a little bit of a bust. I just do not see me enjoying a shade like this. It's just not my cup of tea, but I think my mother would enjoy it, possibly my sister. I do really love these lip stains. They are one of the higher ranking when I go through my lip stains. I like this one better than this one. And the big shocker of the box is this lowlighter from Danessa Myrix. This one I was also concerned about because I'm just not a highlighter kind of girl these days. And this really, I think what she was trying to do was create a really soft glow. So this might just be what anybody with mature skin is looking for when they're looking for that glow. Would I put this underneath my foundation? Probably not, but it makes a very nice highlight blush topper. I like it on my eyelids. I think my eyes look very soft and pretty. This I'm excited to have, and so grateful that I got it in my box because I never would have picked it up. Oh, I didn't even show you with the lip stain. When the gloss comes off, you're left with the nice stain and there's no color left behind. Like, there's nothing. I really, really like that. A lot of stains will leave a mark behind, or if you lick it, it starts to wear off and all the color starts coming off. These Kofi ones are really good. So I just wanted to show you that really nice quality there. And that is everything. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. What did you think about the box? Do you get Boxycharm? I'd love for you to share in the comments, or you can just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I love seeing your hearts. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I will see you in the next one.